Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in home workout gear. Today, we're tackling the Sportstech F17 Treadmill, the 2025 model that's been making waves in the fitness world. If you're shopping for a reliable treadmill to amp up your cardio routine, this review will give you the pros, cons, and everything in between. Let's jump right in. First off, what makes the Sportstech F17 stand out? One of the biggest pros is its powerful 4.0 HP motor, which handles speeds up to 20 km per hour smoothly, perfect for both casual walkers and intense runners. The spacious 140 cm running surface provides ample room to move, reducing the risk of accidents, and the auto incline feature up to 15% adds variety to your workouts. Plus, it's loaded with smart tech, like Bluetooth connectivity for app integration, so you can track your progress, stream workouts, and even compete with friends. The foldable design is a game changer for smaller spaces, and it's surprisingly quiet, so you won't disturb the household. But, as with any product, there are some downsides. The Sportstech F17 comes with a hefty price tag, around $1,500, which might be a stretch for budget-conscious buyers. It's also quite bulky when unfolded, making it less ideal for tiny apartments, and assembly can take up to an hour, which might frustrate beginners. Additionally, while the build quality is solid, some users report that the cushioning isn't as advanced as higher-end models, potentially leading to joint strain over time. Overall, the Sportstech F17 is a fantastic option for serious fitness buffs who want durability and smart features. If you have the space and budget, it's worth every penny. If not, you might want to explore more compact alternatives. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your go-to treadmill? Let us know in the comments below.